Bead Industries has a long history of innovation. Our tubular contact pins, developed for vacuum tubes in the 1930s, helped the radio industry grow. Over the next 6 decades, Bead produced billions of tubular contact pins for GE, Philips, and Sylvania that helped make their fluorescent lamps more affordable. Introduced in the 1960s, Bead's precision wire wrap pins, with the finest tips in the industry, made telecom equipment more reliable. Today, Bead's innovative, precision, cost-effective products are still giving our customers in the automotive, telecom, connector, PCB, and lighting industries a competitive advantage. Our latest innovation, the TrueGrip Interconnect Pin, offers circuit board assemblers strong, reliable connections, simplified processing, fewer assembly defects, and lower production costs. Bead's TrueGrip Interconnect Pin is a hybrid design. The square through-hole section firmly engages the PCB, while the unique flange defines a consistent seating plane and presents a large soldering surface for strong, reliable surface mount processing. When traditional pins are inserted through discs of solder paste, conductive material is dispersed and can contaminate the PCB, causing costly defects and scrap. The TrueGrip pin needs only a donut of solder under the flange to produce a strong, reliable joint. This reduces the amount of solder required by up to 33%, while minimizing debris and achieving a better mechanical and electrical connection. Bead's TrueGrip pins are inserted by applying pressure to the flange. This eliminates bending that can occur when traditional pins are inserted by applying pressure to the pin tip. Each TrueGrip pin is 100% vision inspected. 5 critical dimensions are checked on each pin before it gets wound onto our reel, guaranteeing uniformity and more efficient processing. PCBs for automotive, computer, telecom, or industrial applications require high-quality, high-reliability interconnect pins that are economical to buy and easy to process. Bead designed the TrueGrip pin to be the most reliable, cost-effective, continuous reeled pin available. The benefits of Bead's new TrueGrip interconnect pins are clear. Stronger, more reliable mechanical and electrical connections. 33% less solder for cleaner, more efficient processing. Consistent pin heights with no chance of bending reduces assembly scrap. 100% vision inspection, guaranteeing the highest quality pins in the industry. Give your customers a better connection while saving them money. Specify Bead's new TrueGrip Interconnect Pin for your next project. Hybrid through-hole SMT design. More mechanical strength. Less electrical resistance. Uses 33% less solder. Cleaner and more efficient processing. Consistent pin heights. Eliminates bent pins. 100% vision inspected. Saves you time and money. Bead Electronics TrueGrip Interconnect Pin.